Did you know the philosopher who declared God is dead spent his final 11 years unable to care for himself? Friedrich Nietzsche challenged everything Western civilization believed about right and wrong. He told people to become supermen who create their own values. But in 1889, something broke inside his mind. The story goes that he saw a horse being whipped in the streets of Turin. He threw his arms around the animal and wept. Then his sanity vanished forever. The man who preached radical freedom couldn't function in basic reality. His mother and sister had to feed him like a child. Before his breakdown, Nietzsche had torn down traditional morals without building anything to replace them. He created what he called nihilism, the belief that life has no meaning. His final notes were signed The Crucified, or Dionysus. He couldn't tell if he was Christ or the god of chaos. Here's the tragic lesson. Destroying your moral foundation without building a new one doesn't create freedom, it creates collapse. True strength comes from choosing your values wisely, not from having no values at all.